What happens if you drink baking soda water every day? Did you know that drinking baking soda water daily can transform your health? From improving digestion and boosting kidney health to fighting inflammation, this simple remedy can do wonders for your body. However, the key is knowing how to use it properly to avoid any side effects. Stick around, because in this video, we'll uncover the 12 incredible health benefits of drinking baking soda water every day and how it can improve your overall well-being. At last, I will also give you the exact way to use it, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. First, prevents acid reflux and improves digestion. If you have a problem with heartburn, acid reflux, or bloating after meals, then this might surprise you. Drinking 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 2 cups of water can instantly reduce acid reflux. It works because baking soda is a natural antacid that neutralizes stomach acid, reducing the burning sensation in your chest. Plus, it promotes the production of bile and digestive enzymes. It helps your body break down food faster. Number 2, supports kidney health and prevents kidney stones. Your kidneys work 24/7 to filter out toxins from your blood, but excess acid buildup can put pressure on them. It leads to kidney stones or high blood pressure. Drinking baking soda water daily helps to neutralize the acid in your body and reduces kidney stress. In fact, studies show that baking soda slows kidney decline in patients with chronic kidney disease. If you want better kidney function, start adding baking soda water to your routine. Next, boosts immunity and fights infections. Did you know that bacteria and viruses thrive in an acidic environment? Drinking baking soda water helps balance your body's pH levels, which makes it harder for viruses to survive. Plus, it enhances oxygen absorption, helping your immune system fight off pathogens effectively. If you want fewer colds, flu, and infections, start your day with baking soda water. Number 4, improves oral health and freshens breath. Tired of bad breath or yellow teeth? Here's a quick hack. Mix a little baking soda with your toothpaste and brush your teeth twice a week. Baking soda's antibacterial properties help kill bad bacteria in your mouth. It whitens your teeth naturally and prevents cavities and gum disease. But remember, don't overuse it, as too much alkalinity can damage your enamel. Next, clears urinary tract infections. If you've ever experienced a burning sensation during urination, you know how painful UTIs can be. Drinking baking soda water raises the pH of your urine, making it difficult for bacteria to survive. Within a week of drinking baking soda water, you may notice a huge improvement. Pair this remedy with cranberry juice for even faster results. Next, reduces muscle soreness. After exercise, are your muscles sore after a workout? Baking soda can help. When you exercise, lactic acid builds up in your muscles, causing soreness and fatigue. Baking soda water helps to neutralize lactic acid, allowing your muscles to recover faster. In fact, many athletes use baking soda before exercise to boost their endurance and reduce muscle fatigue. Number 7, increases energy levels naturally. Are you feeling sluggish or low on energy? Drinking baking soda water can increase oxygen flow to your cells, helping your body produce more energy. This keeps you feeling active, alert, and energized throughout the day. But here's a tip: avoid eating sugary foods in the morning, as it can crash your energy levels later. Number 8, slows down tumor growth. This might shock you. Studies suggest that baking soda may slow down the growth of tumors by creating a less acidic environment in your body. Cancer cells thrive in low oxygen, acidic environments, but baking soda improves oxygen delivery and raises pH levels. While it's not a cure, adding baking soda water to your routine may complement existing treatments. Always consult your doctor before trying this for cancer-related cases. Next, soothe skin irritations and sunburns. Got sunburn, itchy skin, or bug bites? Here's a quick solution. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. It helps reduce redness and itching, inflammation and swelling, and speeds up skin healing. You can also add baking soda to your bath for overall skin relief. Next, clears sinus congestion and mucus. If you are struggling with nasal congestion or a blocked nose, drinking baking soda water can help reduce mucus buildup in your airways. Additionally, you can create a nasal rinse by mixing baking soda, warm water, and salt. It helps flush out thick mucus and open up your airways. This remedy works wonders for colds, allergies, and sinus infections. Number 11, bone loss and strengthens bones. As you age, excess acidity in your body can weaken your bones, leading to osteoporosis. Drinking baking soda water helps to maintain strong bones. It retains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which prevent bone loss. By maintaining a balanced pH, your body absorbs minerals more efficiently and keeps your bones strong. Next, fights fungal infections and dandruff. If you're dealing with athlete's foot, nail fungus, or dandruff, baking soda can be a big help. It has antifungal properties, kills fungal cells, and draws out moisture, stopping their growth. To treat, mix baking soda with water and apply it to the affected area. For your feet, soak your feet in a baking soda solution for 15 minutes. For dandruff, mix baking soda with shampoo and use it twice a week. Now let's see how to use baking soda safely. You take 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix in 2 cups of cold water. The best time to drink is midday, just 1 hour before lunch. Drink once a day for a maximum of 5 days per week. Avoid using baking soda if you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or you are on medication without consulting your doctor. Drinking baking soda water daily can completely transform your health from better digestion, higher energy, fewer infections, and stronger bones. But remember, moderation is key. Will you try baking soda water daily? Comment your thoughts below. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to like and share. If you'd like to watch more interesting videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Stay fit and see you in the next video.